Alright, I just put one car.
Alright. I'm gonna go get a couple shots of beer back. Look at Brian. This traffic sucks. How's the signal, you guys? Is it good? So go to Wink News Facebook. As you can see, traffic's all messed up. Hey, sorry. Can I go across? Alright, he said as soon as the traffic stops, you can cut across. There's the white Sonata. I'm guessing the lady in the scrubs was the driver. Maybe she's calling from the hospital. There's my parking job right there. Yeah, there was some injuries, I know, but I just don't know the extent. Nobody was airlifted. I never heard them call out a trauma alert. If they did, it would have landed right here at Physicians Regional. Couldn't have been any more convenient. But I think they were just maybe basic or ALS injuries, but no trauma alert. Nobody that's gonna have traumatic, life-threatening injuries. Hey, you got there. What's up, man? I'm getting you. I got you. All right, cool. Thanks, man. All right, we're getting ready to cross over, you guys. They're gonna let us get you guys closer to take a closer look. See, this is VIP treatment. Look at this treatment. Thanks, Sarge. I won't get you. Just stand behind me and you'll never be on it. Yeah, it's that simple. Yeah, right? There you go. See, I've already been threatened. They'll give me a ticket if I put them on Periscope. So, oh man, look at this. Wow, it looks worse. What's this? Mullet? Maybe it has mullet stuff. These cops here are cool. Jeez. Take a look, screenshot that. That's what it looks like in the inside of a truck when you roll over. There you go. How's that signal? Let's go take a look at some of the debris. It's right in front of the Naples RV Trailer Resort RV Park. No, the driver was the one transported. Hang on a second. Bunch of debris here. So I might have had some fish. Let's see if there's any fish. Oh yeah, there's some mullet right there. Doesn't stink. No, I don't want to steal anything from this scene. Or any scene. It's just not my stuff. But you can see how much debris. I don't know if it did this, but there's all the parts of the truck. Jeez. Let me find out. Hang on.
The guy was on a Ducati. Somehow, the fence didn't like any damage.
No, that's, I don't know whose truck this is. Actually, one of the wheels is gone. No casualties. Actually, no fatal casualties. We did people injured. I think it was just the driver and the passengers in this truck.
Watch out. How much of this guy's watching? The wife already went there. Living there? Yeah, good. Yeah, you're good.
How many, hey Sarge, how many transported? 2? 1? Just the driver? Okay. So, 1 transport. And 1 transport, and it was just the driver of this truck. Just like I thought. Look for some gators in here. Alright, you guys, wear your seatbelts. This is your free public service announcement. So when you drive today, wear a seatbelt so you don't get ejected. I don't know if this guy had a seatbelt on, but if he didn't, I'm sure it would have been a lot worse. And he's not dead, he just got transported to the hospital, and he's gonna make it. Very lucky. Very, very lucky. And if you guys are just joining, the other vehicles over here, it's a white Hyundai Sonata. This is a black Silverado. No, I'm not the victim. I work for the news. Just getting some video for the news. All right, you guys. Who do I need to block?
That would be a good one to see how that one happened.
Oh, yeah, 1 person was hurt, just the driver of the black pickup truck. And that's it, you guys. Avoid this area. This is Collier Boulevard northbound, right before the hospital. There's the Physicians Regional Hospital right there. That's Lely Cultural Parkway. This direction is northbound. So avoid this area at all costs. Actually, avoid south and northbound because they're both backed up, especially northbound. So just wait at least 2 hours for them to clean up this crash before you come this way. You'll be all right. Yeah, there's a bad fatal crash right down the road. I thought this is where Verona Walk was, but it's actually a little bit further down. It's a dump truck that caught on fire. We have some home video of that, cell phone video, of somebody that got there before the emergency responders. There was, I think, just EMS was on scene and maybe 1 fire engine. But if you want to go to the Nightcrawlers page, you can find that video, that dump truck fire. It was fatality. And again, it was a Hyundai Sonata that was hit. Black Hyundai Sonata that time. 45-year-old female was killed in that crash. Dump truck driver ran a red light and crashed right into her driver's side and killed her. All right, you guys, I'm gonna try to make it back across as soon as this traffic stops. You hit the cone? Did you run over the cone? I think this guy ran over the cone. Oh my God. All right. How's the signal? Better? Show the truck. Truck's a little too far away. All right, you guys have a good day. I'll start up another Periscope if something else happens.